Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove fingerprint lock on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then after that you can scroll down. Here you are able to see the security option, so you have to click on it. When you click on it again, you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this fingerprint. So confirm the passwords, click on next, then click on this fingerprint one. So click on delete and this fingerprint will be removed from your mobile phone, but this screen lock will not be removed. So if you want to remove the both fingerprint and screen lock, click on back, again back, then here move on screen lock, then confirm the passwords. Okay, click on next, then here click on none option. After that click on delete. Here the fingerprint lock and screen lock will be removed from your mobile phone. You can remove it like that. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.